loved ones. How are you? Y'all, today I'm back with a banger, a mukbang. Y'all, today I'm having a pizza with the works. So it got a little bit of everything, pepperoni, sausage, black olive, ground beef, green peppers, and I have buffalo wings, barbecue. I got like one or two of my sister honey mustard, and I got hot in there too, like one of my brother's hot in there, or two of my brother hot ones in there. Y'all, I'm hungry. Let's get started. Y'all, before we get started, I hate that they don't burn the bottom a little bit. I'm gonna give my brother a slice, like this piece of big slice right there before. I don't think that I did it all up. I didn't even get it all up. It don't look like it, but too late. Mm. 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 Y'all, today I have a question that I'm gonna answer today, but I'm gonna eat a little first. Just a little bit. Ooh, there we go. Let me put a little bit of on that. Ooh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Oh my god, this pizza is lit. Mm. 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 Let's open this blue cheese. Let me taste hers. No, this is the honey mustard ones. Don't that look good? Mm. 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 That was good. No, I got an orange soda. How y'all doing today? Y'all want a bite? You want a bite of it? Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I was stringing this. And y'all know I got blue cheese. I don't do the ranch when it comes to barbecue or buffalo wings. Mm. 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 Okay, I got my phone with a question. Mm. 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 That's the hot one. It don't look like it's hot, y'all, but it is. Mm-hmm. Should have got the hot one. Mm-hmm. Look, got a little kick. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, before I get into the question, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And hit that notification bell so you can be aware of what your girl is doing next. And don't forget to share, share, share. Share my video, y'all. Share it out. Share me out. Hey. Share me out. Uh-huh. And then that's the song. I already know her name. Her name is Fix It. That's what her name on here is. Mm. They always shut the video off when I go to it. If I stay on my phone too long. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, it's right here. Oh, it's right here. Okay, her name is Fix It. She said, what food do you dislike? I like that you seem willing to try different things. And every time I see her, that's Lori the Fly. That's the fly lady. She said, every time I watch a video, you got a fly in it. So every time I see her, I know who she is. Wow. Y'all, the food that I do not like. Well, I didn't like that food. Maybe I have to get it from somewhere else. They didn't do a good job cutting my pizza. Maybe I gotta get this for somewhere else. But it was Indian food. I ordered some Indian food. I was watching Beloved channel, and she got Indian food, and she was like, it's so flavorful, it's so good. So I called Uber Eats, found a close, Indian food around here, and ordered everything that Beloved had. I tasted it, and I was like, I don't like it. I don't like it. So maybe I need to find an authentic Indian restaurant to make it, because I did not like it at all. But let's see. Y'all, I will try almost anything. I will. Mm, but I haven't tried a lot of things, but I will. Let's see. I don't know what I don't like yet because I don't try that much. But things that it seemed like I wouldn't like, it seemed like I wouldn't like pig feet. Because you can see the pig feet. I don't think I would like that at all. Y'all, I ain't gonna even lie, I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can do it. That wind is hitting my feet. Y'all, it's pretty cool out there today. I got the back door open, it feels good. So, pig feet, But I think people like, pig feet is good. So maybe I gotta try it. I'll be scared to try it. I would. I'm be scared to try it. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna see what I was. Um, you know, I went to this restaurant and I tried mahi mahi. When I first tried that, I did not like that. But we having it. Mm, me having it for a couple of times now. I like it. It's real good. So it shows you how one time you try it, you don't like something because it's new to your palate. But try it again, you might like it. Excuse me. Ooh. And I love pizza with the work. Mm. And I love pizza with bacon on it too. But I was feeling the work today. Mm. 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 What's that? Oh, no. Mm. The bread be filling me up faster more than anything. Mm. I know somebody did want me to do pizza again, but I can't find it. I found it. Whoever wanted me to do pizza again, I did it. And wings again. Mm. Woo. You know, I love my wings. I don't like drumstick that much. And, mm, 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 mm. While the girls, they up there eating honey mustard wings, and they got bacon pizza. Mm, mm, mm. Nice to get full. Mm. Okay, let's get. Excuse me. Well, that's the crust. And my nephew, I say the girls. I always say the girls, but I'm saying my nephew. He up there too, y'all. He up there eating pizza and buffalo wings too. Mm. We just came back from the wild. Oh, look at that pizza. Mm. Mm. It would be perfect if they would have got the crust a little harder. Mm. What y'all eating with me? Comment below what y'all eating with me. Mm. That was a mushroom. Mm. Mm. Eating a little bit too fast. Woo! Your girl was here for. I'm gonna try to finish this. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. This is so good. Mm. 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 I'm surprised the girls didn't say nothing. I don't make that much noise. You know, you just can hear them in the background. Mm. 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 Ooh. Mm. Woo! Mm. Well, that was good. Mm. I got like four or five buffalo wings. I didn't even touch the fries. They had fries in here. I'll eat one for y'all. Mm. Mm. We're gonna finish. Mm. Mm. Excuse me. Get over. That was good. I really enjoyed that. Woo! Mm. Y'all know what to do. Y'all should have did it before y'all got to this part. Y'all should have already liked the video when y'all came on to see your girl. Y'all should have commented, be like, girl, I see you. Yes, I see you. And then y'all should have subscribed to my channel. Or y'all probably already subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Ooh. I'm gonna have heartburn later. Cause tomato paste give me heartburn. But it was good. And it will be worth it. I'm about to take a Tums. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all soon. Thanks for coming. Chilling with your girl, Cece. I'm just me. And y'all, I'm gonna get that Q&A out there too, y'all. I'm gonna put a poll up so y'all can ask me some questions. So I can do a video y'all getting to know me. Because everybody wanna know me. Yeah, we can get to know each other. We family. We can family. So of course we can get to know each other. Y'all, I love y'all. Mwah.